Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Hi friends, this is our Dr. BP alias Bapuji Pulyapu. See, this problem already one dimensional wave equation or string. Previous video I told you that is up to 3 boundary conditions, like it's like a tape recorder. Fourth condition may changes to the half range Fourier sine series. Now we should read this problem actually. This I will explain. Carefully you can read the problem. They are giving actually velocity or displacement. Velocity means different story, displacement means different story. Now we can see the problem, just attack. Remaining story, same story. A string is stretched and fastened. Fastened means what? Both sides ended tight end. 2 points at x is equal to 0, x is equal to L apart. Motion is started by displacing the string into the form y is equal to, this is displacing, y is equal to k into Lx minus x square. Some people they will give this of k lambda. This is very standard question from which it is released at a time t is equal to 0. Find the displacement of any point on the string at a distance of x from one end at a time t. So what is given, you can just displacement given, displacement form given. Sometimes they will give velocity, they will go. See the problem, just you can write. What I told, once if they give the problem, first you can write the equation. Then what is our equation? Here above. Write the equation. What is our equation? String equation. Dou square y by dou t square is equal to a square into dou square y by dou x square. Then conditions are what? At x is equal to 0 there is no displacement, x is equal to L there is no displacement, initial velocity is 0. So u of 0 comma t is equal to 0, u of L comma t is equal to 0, dou y by dou x at t is equal to dou y by dou t at t is equal to 0. Correct or not? Third equation. So initial velocity. Then displacement at a time g is equal to 0. This is giving x of 0 is equal to some f of x. That is nothing but our problem k into Lx minus x square. For all problem, these three has the same story. Whatever may be problem, these three same. Suppose displacement given, find linearly u of x comma 0 f of x. What they are telling, f of x sometimes k into Lx minus x square, sometimes bx by L and 2bx by L minus x. Something they will change. The final stage only change, remaining all are same story. Then now write correct solution is what? Always you can write u of x comma t is equal to c1 cos px. I am using p, some people they may use lambda, c2 sin px, cos sin you can write c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. This is equation 1. Now applying the first condition, what I will get? U of 0 comma t is equal to 0. Already I told you for first condition c1 is equal to 0, second condition p is equal to 10 pi by 4, third condition c4 is equal to 0. The previously we done. So everything we completed. Now first condition if you apply means what? 0 is equal to c1 into c3 cos pat, c4 sin pat. So this cannot be 0. This is 0 means what? No displacement, no question, only c1 0. So implies first condition will give c1 0. Once if c1 0 means what? Equation 1 you can write. Now forget about this equation. After writing the equation, putting c1 is equal to 0, what is that? That is the solution. Now initially I will start, this is the solution. Then after imposing one by one condition, I will take the right solution. So Shall I rub off? Now here what I will do, put C1 is equal to 0 in 1, then my u of x comma t become what? C2 sin px, C3 cos pat, C4 sin pat. That is equation 2. Correct or not? Now second condition is what? U of L comma t is equal to 0. Next place you can put L. So what you will get? U of L comma t is equal to 0. So 2 implies that is equal to C2 sin PL, C3 cos PAT, C4 sin PAT. Then what I will get? This is equal to 0 means what? 0 is equal to C2 sin PL, C3 cos PAT, C4 sin PAT. So again same story, this cannot be 0, C2 also cannot be 0, C1 also 0, C2 is 0 means what? Whole thing collapse. So only chance is what? Sin PL is 0. So all story can write C2 cannot be 0, this cannot be 0. Then what I will get? Implies, if you want you can write C2 cannot be 0, C3 cos PAT, C4 sin PAT cannot be 0, implies sin PL is equal to 0. Sin PL is equal to 0 means what? PL will give the n pi. So P is equal to what? N pi by L. So P is equal to n pi by L. Now substitute in second equation, P is equal to n pi by 2. Then forget about second equation. Then my u of x comma t is what? C2 sin n pi x by L, C3 cos n pi at by L plus C4 sin n pi at by L. That is equation 3. Now after these two versions I reached this. Now this is the solution. Forget about 2. Now third condition is what? Initial velocity 0. Initially velocity 0. At t, initially means what? Time is equal to 0. So dou y by dou t is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Now third equation differentiate with respect to t. So sorry, this is y you can write. Equation y are taken means y you can take. You know y of x comma t you can write better. Solution, first starting solution you can write y of x comma t, y of 0 comma t, y of 0 comma L. How I started equation I forgotten. Okay. Okay. Then see the question actually. What I started equation. U I written, y I written, I don't know. Okay, whatever maybe. Then suppose if I take an equation dou square y by dou t square means y you can write, dou square u means u you can take. Just you can change small little bit change. I forgotten about what I started. Okay, no problem. Then at t is equal to, so dou y by dou t if we differentiate what we will get? C2 sin n pi x by L, then minus C3 sin, with respect to t I am differentiating, n pi a t by L, n pi a by L plus C4 cos n pi a t by L into n pi a by L. Now if we put t is equal to 0, this is equal to 0. So 0 C2 sin n pi x by L. this everything vanish, then this will start C4 into n pi a by l. So from this C2 cannot be 0, sin n pi x by l cannot be 0, n cannot be 0, pi cannot be 0, a cannot be 0, l cannot be 0. We know all values. So only chance is C4 0. C4 is equal to 0. If you substituted C4 is equal to 0, then what you will get? Go back and substitute in equation 3. What is my equation? Y of x comma t is equal to C2 sin n pi x by l, then C3 cos n pi at by l. Then C2, C3 will have infinite values. I will let superposition principle. Using superposition principle, what I will get? See, y started again. I am telling, I have forgotten. Maybe dou square y means you can write y, u means u you can write. So y of x comma t is equal to sigma cn sin n pi x by l cos n pi at by l. This you can take equation 4. Now last condition is what? Y of x comma 0 is equal to k into lx minus x square. So if you substituted, what you will get? Y of x comma 0 k into lx minus x square is equal to sigma cn sin n pi x by l. I will call cn is equal to bn. Then this fellow become what? K into lx minus x square is equal to bn sin n pi x by l. From this, what you understand, any function if it appears bn sin n pi x by sin n pi x by l means what? This is nothing but half range sine series. So this string is what? 0 to l. I will write half range. So what is my bn? 2 by l 0 to l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. Now who is my f of x? K into lx minus x square. Integrate. Shall I rub off? Fourth equation is important. Again I will go back and substitute it. Don't worry. Now 2 by l 0 to l k into lx minus x square sin n pi x by l dx. This is 2k by l. Bernoulli's formula. One fellow you can differentiate, one fellow you can integrate. Which fellow you can differentiate? After sometimes what term become vanish, that you can take as a differential part. Another part you can take a integral part. So u v1 minus u dash v2, like this you can write. So first you can keep as it is this fellow lx minus x square. Then this integrate means what? Minus cos n pi x by l by n pi by l minus what you integrated, same thing you can again integrate, minus sin n pi x by l n pi by l whole square. What you not integrate, that you can differentiate, l minus 2x plus, then what you integrated again you can integrate, sin minus minus plus, then cos n pi x by n pi by l whole cube, then this is minus 2. My limit is what? 0 to l. Now apply the limits. If you apply the upper limit means what? L square minus L square waste. If you apply the lower limit also, x common is there, 0. So this whole term vanish. Here also if you apply x is equal to L means what? Sin n pi, waste. If you apply lower limit 0 means what? Sin 0, 0, waste. So first two terms become vanish. So finally it stands third term alone. So what is third term? 2k by L minus 2 L square n square pi square cos n pi x by L 0 to L. Then this, if you want this and this cancel, so minus 4k L by n square pi square. Apply the limit, upper limit if you apply means what? Cos n pi minus, this minus I taken, cos 0 is 1. So this is equal to what? Minus 4k L by n square pi square. Cos n pi is minus 1 power n minus 1. If you put n is equal to even means what? This become vanish. Put n is equal to odd means what? Minus 2. Minus 2 minus 4 mal 8. So this is equal to, who is this? Bn. Bn is equal to 0 if n is even. This is equal to 8kl by n square pi square if n is odd. This you can take and substitute it. So this is equal to Bn is equal to what? Cn. What is my fourth equation? Y of x comma t, y of x comma t is equal to sigma Cn sin n pi x by L cos n pi at by. In examination you can write substituting in 4, no need to write this, for understanding I am writing. So Cn is equal to Bn, Bn is equal to this fellow. So this is running from odd values only, 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, or if you want you can write 2n plus 1, 2n minus 1 you can write. 8kl n square pi square sin n pi x by L cos n pi at by L. This is the solution, final solution of the displacement at any point and any distance, any time when from x is equal to 0 to 2. Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly share and subscribe. Be part of our service. Bye.